Welcome to the first floor routine we've done in some time. I've been reluctant to do floor exercises because I know some of you are limited in your mobility and getting down on the floor is difficult. If you can join me, I'm doing it today because it's hard for me to get down on the floor as well. So we are together in this. If your mobility is limited, do your very best to get down on the floor. And let's just go through a nice, short, sweet movement session to really build some wonderful mobility. If you can go crisscross with your legs, I can't quite get that far yet. This is what I can do. You do what works for you. And let's just enjoy moving our bodies dynamically for 10 minutes or so. Just side bend. And let's already begin to calm our nervous system with some focused breath work. Breathe into one side, out to the other. All your attention, all your awareness right here, right now. See if you can't bring your arm behind your head, increase your range of motion and mobility. You can twist a little bit deeper if that feels nice. If you need to do this session standing or in a chair, by all means, modify, do what works best for you. We're all at different places, different abilities. Maybe we're not there just yet. Do what you can. Okay, let's twist. Breathe into one side, out to the other. Head up high. Start to turn and look behind you, increasing the mobility in your neck, upper spine. Oh, yeah. Can you feel it? Excellent. So stay with, I just have to adjust a little bit. If you can bring your legs in together, nice crisscross. Not for me just yet, but we can do some arm circles. Forward arm circles. Just circle a few times and then cross in front of your body. Circle a few times, cross. Make sure you change which arm is on top. Head up high. We're building great core stability when we sit in this way. The Japanese, one of the longest lived people in the world. They say some of that is because they sit on the ground all the time, getting up and down 50, 80 times a day. Helps increase strength, mobility. Can you get down on the ground a few times? Reverse the arm circles. Go backwards now. Sit on the floor like we did when we were kids. Let's be youthful and childlike throughout today's session. Oh, last one. Great. Ooh, okay. Bring your legs all the way out. We're just going to breathe in, get real tall. Breathe out. Try to touch your toes if you can. Breathe in, real tall, and fall forward. Try to keep a straight back. Don't hunch over to get your head down. More so, we're trying to get our chest. So we breathe in and out. And wherever you can get to is wonderful. Maybe it's here. It's perfect. Just do what you can, but really focus on a big, deep inhale. And exhale, fall forward. Inhale. Exhale. In and out. One more. Nicely done. Bring your feet up. Put your feet flat on the ground, and we're simply going to row our arms back. Again, connect to your breath. Breathe in and out. In and out. Keep your arms nice and close to your body. Make a nice fist, increasing our grip strength. Bring your shoulder blades together. Head up high. Chest up. Nice straight back. You got it. Couple more. Ooh, yeah. Nicely done. Now, we're gonna go for a march. Flat legs, and then bring your knee up, bring your hands up, gentle twist, a little bit of pace. We're gonna get our heart rate up. So again, you can do this seated, standing. Ooh, yeah, we can mix it up. We can all do it differently. As long as you're smiling and moving your body, that's all that matters. Let's go. Maybe a little faster. Ooh, I gotta tone it down a little bit there. My mobility is limited on the left side. It's all right. Just notice. Oop, I can't do that yet. That's okay. I'll focus on what I can do. Ooh. Ooh, one more. Nicely done. Sit up nice and tall. Backstroke. Big arm all the way back. You could be crisscross here and do this movement, legs out straight, whatever works best for you. I would love to be crisscross, but this doesn't quite get there yet, so this is the movement for me. But just get real big. Reach all the way back. Breathe in and out. In and out. Yeah, you got it. Look up to the sky. Feel all that mobility you're creating. One more to each side. Yeah. Okay. Brilliant. Bring your knees up again. Lean into your body. Open your chest up wide. Get small, real big. Breathe in and out. Notice how you're building that amazing mobility and strength. When you connect to your breath, your nervous system just calms down. A little bit of stress melts away. Oh yeah. Really let it out. Breathe in, get big, and out. Get real big. Just flow here. Do what you can. Oh, nicely done. Last one. Hold it there for a moment. Bring your shoulder blades together. Look up. Get real big. Maybe you want to bring your feet off the ground for a second. Ooh, engage the core. You got it. You got it. Hold it for a second. Well done. Back into crisscross. Prayer and twist. Just see if we generate a little bit mobility in the back. Is the back feeling a little looser, a little stronger? Ooh, mine is. Sit up tall. Twist into it. Ooh, yeah. Really start to move a little bit quicker. Push the back of your hand further back as you get a little bit deeper each and every time into the twist. Ooh, yeah. All right. Shake it all out. Shake, shake, shake. Oh, nicely done. One last movement for today to really just see how loose and nice we're feeling. Flat feet. Point your toes up. Come back to this forward fold. We're very consciously going to breathe in and out very slowly. Just like we did before, but slow it down. Breathe in, sit up tall. Exhale. Breathe in. Exhale. Connect to this movement. Each and every breath. There's distractions in our environment. That's always going to be the case. That's the good stuff. I choose to be present right here, not to allow what's outside of me to affect what's going on the inside. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. In, and on this last one, exhale. If you can grab your toes, your shins, wherever you are, and just hold it there for a moment. Head up high, and just feel that beautiful flexibility in the backs of your legs, your lower back. Just hold it for a moment. Bring all your attention into the backs of your legs and just feel. Smile. Give your toes a little crack. Give yourself a pat on the back. Well done for showing up again. I hope you feel amazing. I'll see you tomorrow. Well done. Goodbye.